This is Just in Case from American Newscape, joining our friend and book wrangler Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Thank you. It's always nice to talk with you.
It's always nice to be brought up to speed on our libraries. That being said, what's happening at our libraries?
Well, this week at our main library, we are offering another session for device help because we're noticing lots of people got new devices for the Christmas holiday. They either got a new phone or a new tablet, a new e-reader, and they might have a little bit of trouble getting it to do what they want it to do, or it's doing something that they don't want it to do, and they can't figure out how to get it to stop. So we invite you to bring your device to the main library this Thursday between 3 and 5 and let one of our library experts figure it out for you.
Wow, what an opportunity that is. And that's a fun experience, right?
It is. They're very friendly and non-judgmental, and I think sometimes it's easier to ask a neutral party than trying to ask your kids or your parents to, it's kind of like parents shouldn't teach kids to drive. Maybe kids shouldn't try to fix parents' smartphones. It's just not a good dynamic. Bring it to the library as a neutral ground, and we'll get it figured out for you.
Because we all don't have a grandchild handy.
That's true.
Okay, Sarah, what else do we have?
Well, coming up this Saturday at our Somerton Library, if one of your New Year's resolutions was to learn an instrument, they are going to be offering beginner tips for guitar players. So they will have somebody there with probably an acoustic. I'm thinking we're probably not going to rock out with an electric guitar this time. Beginning of the year, maybe we'll progress, but just for this first time, we'll have an acoustic guitar and we'll have somebody there who can give you some tips if you're a player that's just getting started.
But all those tips will apply whether you're trying to pound out an electric guitar or acoustic guitar. So it's got to be good information for anybody that's looking to learn a little bit more.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So what else, Sarah?
Well, last but not least, speaking of learning more, we have a session coming up at our main library on Saturday afternoon called Where Does Your Money Go? And I think this is something that we've all asked ourselves from time to time. You get to just after payday and look at the checkbook and think, wow, that went fast. Where did all that go? And so our business librarian is going to be teaching you some tips and tricks on how to track where that money's going and hopefully keep more of it in your pocket.
Okay, very good. And that's at the main library, right?
That's right.
Okay, very good. Hey, everybody, this has been Just in Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.